Hi, I'm Joshua with Arizona Foundation Solutions. We understand the need for change. Renovation can bring newness of life, but too often homeowners jump the gun and spend thousands on renovations that eventually fail because the foundation was not stabilized first. We will give you examples of why you should wait to renovate. We hope that this video can help guide you to make the right decisions that can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. Much like how we can't feel how fast the earth is spinning or traveling around the sun, we don't feel the soil movement that causes most common foundation problems. Only in circumstances like earthquakes, mudslides, or sinkholes will your foundation move drastically. In most cases, you will be given indications by sounds of settlement. This includes cracks, wall and/or ceiling separation, truss shifting, nail pops. If you're having these sounds frequently, you should wait to renovate. So why should renovations wait until after a foundation inspection? Have you ever walked through a kitchen barefoot and felt a sharp, uneven tile? How did that happen? Tile can snap easily with just a minor shift over a month. Little by little, it reaches the breaking point. Laying tile is hard work. Soil movement can render a great tile job unsightly. This is by far the most common, as it's one of the first visual indications of a foundation problem, right up there with drywall cracks. Cabinet separation is a real thing. Newly renovated kitchen cabinets can be ruined when a stem wall fails and the wall separates. What causes the most anxiety with new renovations is when a foundation repair company must drill holes in the flooring. New tile, wood floors, and new cabinets are all at risk of needing to be redone because a foundation expert must lift or inject to correct the problem. So what does it boil down to? Until your foundation is stabilized, you should wait to renovate. Depending on what repair was done, it can go from a few hours to approximately 6 months. In a situation where you simply have exterior cracks filled and concrete lifted, you can begin exterior renovations within a short amount of time. In the case of major repair that requires helical or push piers, you're looking at upwards of 6 months, and here's why. After a major foundation repair is done, there will be a period of possible settling. After a home is lifted and or stabilized, they will do a floor level reading to ensure the home is in proper position. After several months, it's important to have the floor level checked again to ensure no movement has occurred. If movement has occurred, it is vital to find where the repair needs to be adjusted. If the floor is the same level it was after the repair, then you'll be ready for those renovations. When you plan to renovate, you should follow a repair plan. Start with the foundation. Get it inspected and repaired if necessary. Install rain gutters to keep as much water from getting underneath the slab as possible. Make sure to have a 5% grade away from your home. Keep landscaping away from your foundation as much as possible. Next would be to check your roof, followed by the structure itself. Ensure your plumbing is in good order as well as electrical. Once the structure itself is in good order, begin the beautification of your home. There are so many possibilities limited only by your imagination and creativity. I hope this video was helpful as you begin the process of renovation. Please hit that like and subscribe button and check out our website, foundationrepairaz.com, as well as our Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.